is an example of what an everyday math typical week would look like. There are usually 4 lessons that you would have throughout the week, and then a flex day. The flex day can be used any day of the week and can be used for whatever you need. So if you notice on Monday your kids are not getting the lesson, you can really take Tuesday to reteach or to teach a different way if you feel like it's needed. So that flex day is used for you to be flexible. A lot of times it's used on Friday, but it is good to be able to use it throughout the week, sometimes to give a little bit of a break, to do a check-in with them to see how they're doing. This is just a little snapshot of what we did here at Kitley for a typical week for, this is our 5th grade team did this last year, just one of our weeks. We just write it out quickly. What is the lesson that we're teaching that day that we can be planning for? What game is on that lesson? So if it's a longer lesson, like if you notice like for Monday the 28th, there's no game because that was a very long lesson, very long. So we didn't get to the game, but, and we also did the check-in and the assessment. We did math boxes for a check. Tuesday, it has the game that goes along with it. It usually has something that goes along with it. We just planned it out for us. It was easier to see how your day went, but you usually play 2 to 3 games per week. So if you're doing those rotations, you can get those planned in as well. So this is just something that we did at Kitley to plan our lessons, just to make sure we were on the same page as a team, as a 5th grade team. Again, use the flex day as you need. This might be the lesson plan that we're using for the entire 5th grade, but I might take flex day on Wednesday because I want to do a Wednesday activity with my kids because it was a special day. So I would just move the other 2 lessons one day out. It's easy to use and it's easy to do. Remember, be flexible. That's what a flex day is for. Also, use your team to help you. That is one of the great things about, I know Emily McLean and I, when we were making this, we were talking about our teams and how much it was so helpful when we had planning time together, when we were able to sit down and say, I'm going to do this. How are you teaching this? When we sat down and did that together, it was so beneficial. So use your team to help you. If you want a copy of this template, I am happy to share what we kind of used for you, but you don't have to use it. Find a template that works for you and your team.